the Salem witch trials remain a chilling chapter in American history. In 1692, a dark cloud settled over Salem, Massachusetts. What began with a few young girls exhibiting strange behaviors spiraled into mass hysteria. Over 200 people were accused of witchcraft, 20 innocent souls were executed. 19 were hanged as witches. One man was crushed to death by stones. The trials were sparked by the unusual afflictions of several young girls. They suffered from fits, convulsions, and hallucinations. These girls, including Betty Paris and Abigail Williams, were deemed to be bewitched. Their accusations ignited a firestorm of fear and suspicion throughout the community. The accusations spread like wildfire. Neighbors turned on neighbors. Friends accused friends. The trials reached a fever pitch, driven by fear, paranoia, and religious extremism. The events of 1692 left an indelible scar on Salem's history, a stark reminder of the dangers of mass hysteria and unchecked accusations. In 1976, Linda Caporael offered a startling theory. Could a fungus have been the true culprit behind the Salem witch trials? Caporael proposed that ergot poisoning, caused by a fungus called, might explain the strange behaviors in Salem. Ergot thrives in cool, damp conditions, often contaminating rye grain. The year 1691 saw a particularly wet spring followed by a warm summer, ideal conditions for ergot growth. The fungus produces toxic substances called alkaloids. These alkaloids can cause a range of symptoms, including convulsions, hallucinations, and even gangrene. Caporael's theory, while controversial, offered a compelling explanation for the seemingly inexplicable events in Salem. Could a simple fungus have been responsible for the darkness that descended upon this small Massachusetts community? The possibility, while unsettling, provided a new lens through which to view the events of 1692. The symptoms of ergot poisoning, particularly a form known as, bear a striking resemblance to the afflictions suffered by the accusers in Salem, is characterized by a range of neurological symptoms, convulsions, spasms, delirium, hallucinations, and even gastrointestinal distress. These symptoms align remarkably well with the behaviors documented in Salem. The young girls who first exhibited signs of bewitchment complained of tingling sensations, prickling in their skin, and a feeling of being choked. They suffered from violent fits, contorted their bodies in unusual positions, and experienced hallucinations. Could these terrifying experiences have been the result of consuming ergot-contaminated rye bread? The possibility is both intriguing and unsettling. The symptoms of ergotism provide a plausible explanation for the bizarre behaviors that fueled the fires of accusation in Salem. While the ergot theory offers a compelling explanation for the events in Salem, it remains just that, a theory. Definitive proof is elusive. The passage of time has erased crucial evidence. Other historians point to alternative theories, ranging from social and political unrest to outbreaks of other diseases. Despite the lack of conclusive proof, the ergot theory serves as a reminder that sometimes the most perplexing mysteries can have surprisingly earthly explanations. The Salem witch trials, a stark reminder of the dangers of mass hysteria and the human capacity for cruelty, continue to fascinate and haunt us centuries later. The true cause of the events in Salem may forever remain shrouded in mystery, a chilling reminder of the darkness that can lurk in the shadows of the human experience.